This is my drawing of Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters, and today I'm going to teach you each of the steps that I use so you can draw it too. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top. I'm going to go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we'll draw a small circle coming in for highlight. Let's line it up on the right side. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now I want to draw the outside edge of the eye. Start from the very top, and go all the way around the outside, and then pull that in towards the bottom. Let's add in some thick lashes. We're going to go back to the top, go around the outside, come down and just curl that up on the end. Now let's tuck this in, coming down and then in towards the side. Let's fill the lashes in black. From here, we'll move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left. Curve this down, and then bend that up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve going in the opposite direction. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. We start with a curve in the center, going up and then down. And then we'll add the upper lip from the middle. Let's add a point, go up and then down toward the left, and then the right side. Let's connect the corners of the mouth with another curve, coming down and then up. I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. Let's start on the outside. We're going to bend this in and then down. Line this up on the right. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting back on the outside, I want to go higher in the middle and then taper that down towards the inside. Let's go back to the center, step up in the middle. Let's add a point. Now I'm going to part the hair. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up, come down around the eye, and then bend that in. Let's go back to the center. We're going to do the same thing on the right, going up, go around the corner of the eye, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to add some thickness to those bangs. Let's start right in the center. Start with the left side. We're going to go up, come around the outside, come down, and then back in. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now with the hair bangs in place, let's draw the bottom half of the head. We're going to start from the left side, curve this down, go across underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right. On the side of the head, we're going to see the edge of the ears. So let's start with the left. We're going to go up, come down, and then bend that in. And we'll line that up on the right. Now let's add a fold, just coming down about halfway. Let's go back to the center. We're going to part the hair, going up in the middle. Now we're going to draw on the left side of the head. We're going to go up, come down, and then pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, come down, and then in. Now we're going to finish off the hair after we've drawn the body. Let's start underneath the head on both sides. Curve the body going out and down about halfway towards the bottom of the shirt. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. From here, we're going to step in, curve the body, coming down and out towards the hips. Connect the hips with another curve. Let's draw the edge of the skirt. We'll go out and then down on both sides, and we'll round out the bottom. Now, in the center, we're going to separate the legs with a straight line coming down, and we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down like a half circle, but I want to leave a gap along the inside, and we're sort of aiming towards the heels. Let's go back up to the corners of the skirt, step in, curve the outside leg coming down on top of the feet. Let's go to the top and separate the boot with a curve on either side. Let's go to the bottom of the feet. We're gonna add a thick sole. So we wanna take this curve, step up, and trace that across from toe to heel, and then from the center going out towards the right toe. Now we're gonna add a detail across the top of the boot. On the left side, curve down and in towards a point, go back up towards the right, do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a little bit more detail to the skirt. From the hip, step down, add a curve going across, and then in the center, draw another line coming down. From this point, step over towards the right, come down, and then bend that back in. Let's add 2 pockets, one curve on the left and one on the right. Now let's draw the inside edge of the arms. From the bottom corner of the shirt, step in, bend this out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Now connect the bottom of the thumb to the wrist with a curve. Let's add in those 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve this down and then up, step down, add the second finger, curling that up. Now the third finger, we're going to bend this around the arm, go up, and just tuck that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to separate the top of each finger with a curve for the glove, coming in towards the thumb. And then from the thumb, we're going to step up, draw the edge of the cuff, going up and then out. Now from the top of the arm along the inside, let's add the sleeve, going up and then out. Now with the collar, we're going to shift this all the way over towards the right side. So let's start underneath the head on the left, curve this down, go across and then up. Let's add a strap on the right side with 2 straight lines. Now I'm going to add a simple detail across the shirt. Let's start over on the left, then it's up and in, go out and then down. Then on the side we're going to do that again, going up and then down. Let's trace this shape along the bottom and then do the same thing along the sides. I'm going to add a small detail across the left shoulder, starting with a curve. Now along the bottom, we're going to add these points, coming down and then up. Just going to add 3 of them. Now that we complete the body, let's layer the pigtails in behind. We'll start from the top left, bend this up, come around the ear and in, to right about there. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Just going to mirror this around the ear, and then bend that in. Let's go back to the left side. I'm going to bend this around the hand, and then in. Now let's add a point. Bend this up. And we'll curve this back down and in behind the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's our Draw Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.